Prithvi goes hard but doesn't time well enough, and maybe that's a good thing. Fell in no man's land and they get an easy single. But Prithvi's made his intentions clear as well. He's going to get after Bhaskar. Good use of the feet by Vikranth. Gets to the pitch of the ball. Plays it in the vacant mid-wicket area. Deep mid-wickets there to collect and get the ball back in.
Rishi, happy birthday. We haven't said that earlier. Well, I haven't. Come on, Bhaskar. You need to be much more on line with that three-step run-up. Yep, didn't touch any part of the pad or... Oh, no respect shown to Bhaskar by Prithvi. Even better serve trying to work a single. Didn't catch it again, and should thank his lucky stars. Didn't travel to long off. Squirted away to his left. I was wondering why Prithvi insists on going for it rather than, because there's no joy, you still get only a single. Push it somewhere and get that single a lot easier and allow Vikranth to strike.
Will a leg by to end the over?
Up to 7.42, indicating 150 already. And Vikranth continues to stay there, showing confidence and innovation. Oh, again drifting down leg. That will be another boundary as the ball races away. No stopping it. Fairly quick outfield. Good shot by Vikranth, but not a very good delivery by Chandra. Their own very first delivery, drifting down leg. Fine leg was up, square leg was up. No squeeze in the gap. Altogether too easy for Vikranth. It's now batting on 57.
Extremely well placed Chennai Rhinos in this match.
It's been a good partnership. 51 of 28. Not where he intended to, Vikranth, but still picks up a single.
When I say Chennai, you say Rhinos. Chennai! 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 Chennai!
Good seam position. But well played. They ran hard, but there was never two in it. I think Vikranth fancies a bit of Chandra at the moment. I feel a big shot coming up. And I think he's going to go over extra cover.
Oh, that's a bold shot.
So much for my prediction.
We got a few things right today, I must confess. I'm glad you didn't buy that lottery ticket. Venkatesh, good to see you here after the disappointment yesterday. And nice to see that smile. I know you were let down yesterday. The team lost the match. The team should have won. Akhil to his right in red. Still looking a little pensive. Not a very bright show. Oh, the scoop! Well, it fetched him a boundary. That is magnificent.
That's a boundary for
Not an
Chennai.
easy shot to play. You might have seen it in international cricket. It's very difficult to get the right timing, and he did it just right, Vikranth. Well played.
Chennai! 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 Chennai!
Oh, another terrible delivery. They'll be wide and plenty of runs.
4 more runs. Wide single by number 100 runs comes up for Chennai
Very good
Rhinos.
spell for the Chennai Rhinos and the Karnataka Bulldozers, beginning to lose the plot.
15 already of this over. It's been an expensive over. And that wide brings up the 100 for the Chennai Rhinos.
100 runs on board for Chennai Rhinos.
And suddenly, the target looks it could be in excess of 170.
Yes, I agree with you, and I will mention this again. Vikranth goes, the target reduces by 30. Such is his impact. Lashes out, but straight to extra cover. And what should have been no run at all. Brings them one. Karthik not so smart at extra cover.
One
What he
out
got.
5.